Hello everyone, today we're going to do a demonstration on how to use the Poodll Anywhere for Atto Moodle plugin. So we can see Poodll Anywhere here on the toolbar. It's slightly grayer than the rest icons. There's a microphone, a video camera, a pencil, a regular camera, and a little calculator keypad. What do they mean? Well, let's go through them. This is a microphone, so it's an audio recorder. This is a video recorder. This is a whiteboard. This is for taking snapshots with the web camera. And this is widgets dialog. So Poodll has a widgets feature for things like light boxes and tabs and accordions. Let's go through and use each of them in turn and just see how they work. So the first one will pop up is an audio recorder, and that works much as you would expect. You click on the audio recording button. You can confirm in the audio, and then you upload the audio. When that is inserted into the text area, it's simply a link, but when the page is displayed, the link is expanded into a full player. To use a video recorder, you're actually going to see me now. This is a video recorder here. It's me. Again, we can record. We can play back the recording, and we can upload the recording. Again, it's simply a link, but when the link is displayed, it will be a video player. And here we have a whiteboard. So if we click on this, we actually have a little area in which we can draw a picture. So let's draw a picture of a cat. And save the picture. Insert, and we have a picture of a cat there in our area. And finally, we have, we have a snapshot camera. Here we can take a picture of ourselves and upload the picture. And again, that will be inserted directly into the text area. And finally, here we have the widgets dialog. The widgets gives you options which produce further dialogue. So let's use a toggle with icon. So here we can put the text which we're going to show and the text which we're going to hide. Okay. And then in between here we put what we want to hide and show. So this text comes and goes. All right, now let's see how this goes when we display the page. And we can see it looks like this. The audio link has been replaced with an audio player. The video link has been replaced with a video player. The image is as it is, and the snapshot is also as it is. And the widget, we inserted a toggle widget, and it is now in the hide mode. If we click on it to show, the text appears. We click on it to hide, and the text disappears. That's a very quick overview of what you can do with the Poodll Anywhere for Atto plugin. In particular with widgets, there's a lot more flexibility. There are more widgets that you can add and features that you can use. If you'd like to know more about Poodll Anywhere, you can try it out on demo.poodle.com, or you can come to poodle.com, take out a free trial, and try it out on your own Moodle site.